Hey there guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to install the Google Meet app on your desktop and on your Windows as an app without downloading it. Yes guys, if you are interested, continue watching. Hey guys, it's Sanskar and you are watching Lapiology. So let's start. For that, open the Chrome, search the website called meet.google.com. It will redirect you to the Google Meet homepage. As you can see, it is the homepage as it have the options like enter code and new meeting. Now simply go on three dots, click on the more tools, click on the create shortcut. Just put a name as Google Meet, don't change it, it will be compatible for you. Now check box, click on the open as window. Now click on create. Now after this window appear, close that window and it will create the shortcut on our window without downloading. We doesn't have give the data to it, so you can see this Google Meet has installed successfully here. You can double click on here. I am going to show you how it look like after opening. So you can see this home page has completely open and you can enter the code, you can enter the link, you can create the meeting. So guys, the whole world is using the Google Meet and it's very easy except going to the website. So I hope you will like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, go and hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the updates of my video.